Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss an essential aspect of SEO, search engine optimization, checking your keyword ranking positions in the SERPs, search engine results pages. Knowing where your website ranks for specific keywords is crucial for understanding your SEO performance. In this video, we'll explore how to do this using various online tools. The first website we'll explore is SurpRobot. Cloud, an excellent option for tracking your keyword rankings. To check your keyword ranking on SurpRobot Cloud, follow these steps. Now, let's explore SurpRobot.com, which offers a straightforward SERP checker tool. To check your keyword ranking on SurpRobot.com, visit Moving on, we have Comater.com, which provides a range of SEO tools, including a SERP checker. To check your keyword rankings on Comater.com, visit Last but not least, we have the Hoth.com. It offers a user-friendly SERP checker tool. To check your keyword ranking on the Hoth.com, follow these steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on SEO and digital marketing. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with SERP checking tools, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.